place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
napakataas. Kasi bundok po yung nasa likod niyan at malambot po yung lupa. Nasa barangay Kantauan na tayo mga bay. So dito pa rin yung area kung saan malaki pa rin yung tratrabahoin nila, kasi mas mabundok po dito. May bahay na nakatayo na maganda. So sinimula na po nila yung lane, pagsisimento ng kalsada. Nasa Kantauan proper na po tayo, barangay Kantauan. Ito po yung school nila. Pwede tayo dadaan dito. So natatamaan po yung covered court nila. Natatamaan po yung covered court siguro, or hindi, lilig ko siya doon yung kalsada. Dito banda mga bay ay matarik po dyan. Pati pong area ito na dinadaanan natin dati ay matarik. So nilagyan nila ng lupa para lumibel. So sira po yung barangay hall nila. Wala na pong ano, cover mga bay. Sayang. Dinadaanan natin, nasa left side po yung ginagawa kasalukuyang expressway. So pababa na po tayo, nasa bundok po tayo, sa itaas ng bundok. Pwede na palang gumaan dito mga bay. So dito tayo dadaan. Buti na lang hindi pa umuulan, kasi napakaputik po dito, napakalambot ng lupa at napakadelikado daanan. Tapos na po yung 2 lanes dito at At meron na rin po mga poste. Yan, yung iba meron na solar panel. At yung iba ay wala pa. Dahanan tayo mga bay kasi ang daming bato, pwede tayong matumba. So pababa pa rin po tayo ng bundok mga Panginoon. Dahan-dahanan tayo. So sinimulan na rin nila sa kabila mga bay. Yan. Sinukay na nila sa kabila. So mga bay, nandito tayo ngayon sa boundary na ng Inayagan at boundary ng Kantauan. So unahan, nalampas na po tayo ng Inayagan Naga. So simulan na rin po nila yung riprap dito. Yan. So nandito na po tayo sa Barangay Inayagan mga bay. So hanggang dito lang muna yung update natin. So sa hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe, like and share yung mga videos natin mga bay. At maraming salamat.